Hi everyone, this is the bonus video that we have created where we're going to show you a new subscriber growth method that we did not cover in the course. This is a special bonus method that we've prepared for you. So here is the outline of the method, and I'm actually going to show you on the screen the example of how to make this work as well. But let's just go through the description first. So first of all, the whole point of the method is to find other big channels in your niche, to subscribe to them, and also you'll need to click the bell notification icon, which will send you instant notification whenever they upload a new video. And then carefully watch for new videos from them. As soon as you get a notification that they have uploaded their new video, then make sure that you jump right onto your computer or onto your mobile phone, wherever you can get. And as soon as they post, jump on and place a comment on that video. Now, we don't want to be spammy in our comment. There is a special way to actually get that done. Okay, so let's say your new channel that you're trying to grow is in the dog training niche. So what you need to do is find some channels that are in the same niche as well. And so you can start by typing in various keywords that are relevant to your niche and look for huge channels. The bigger, the better, but those channels need to be very targeted. So you don't want to comment on a generic channel such as Howcast, for example, that might be publishing about dog training, but about a ton of other topics as well. What you want is specific channels dedicated exclusively to your niche. So this channel here, Zach George's Dog Training Revolution, well, that sounds pretty good, and they've got 2.34 million subscribers. So what you want to look at afterwards is have a look at their videos, the most recent videos, and how many views they get. So this channel seems to get about 81, 130, 190, 200,000, basically almost on some videos. So this channel is definitely also getting a lot of views on each video which they put up, which is really, really good. Okay, so then what you want to do is go here and subscribe to that channel, and also tick the bell notification icon and choose all notifications, not personalized. You want all. You want to be notified. So you're kind of requesting from YouTube to be notified about every single video that this channel uploads. Okay. And then go ahead and add as many channels in your niche as you can. And once you've exhausted all of these channels here on the front page, then type in some other queries that are related to your niche. So maybe how to train your dog to bark, or how to train your dog not to bark, etc. And then you basically wait until they upload a new video. When they upload a new video, you'll get a notification via email, as well as a pop-up message on your phone if you've got a smartphone with YouTube app installed. So once again, to reiterate, you want to target very targeted and large channels. So here is an example of the message to put. This is what we want to write. Again, this of course needs to be tailored to your individual niche, but here is an example of a message to put. You can say, John is the best trainer. With his advice, I've trained my 4-month-old Great Dane puppy to sit, come fetch, stay on the mat, and other commands. I've even decided to start my own channel as well to show my progress and share with others what I do. Okay, so here are the things that you're achieving with this message. The first thing and main thing that I want to say, do not ask other people to subscribe to your channel. You don't want to do that. You don't want to say, subscribe to my channel and I subscribe to yours, because this is prohibited by YouTube, okay? You can leave genuine comments, but you cannot ask in your comments, you cannot ask others to subscribe to your channel. You can get your channel in trouble this way. So this channel, essentially, all you're doing is just giving a massive props to the channel owner. So in our example, I think the channel owner's name was Zach George, something like that. So here you could say, Zach is the best trainer. With his advice, I've trained my 4-month-old Great Dane puppy to sit, come fetch, stand the mat, and other commands. Now, this, of course, ideally needs to be true. You guys need to think about what kind of message to put so that it's true. You don't want to be completely lying, obviously. But if you really are interested in dog training and you have a Great Dane, and perhaps you followed this guy for a while, then the aim of this message is to give authority and credibility to the channel owner, because if they see this kind of comment, they will like this comment. They might like it, they might click the actual like button on the comment. So let me demonstrate what I mean. So here, let's look at some of the videos that have been around for a while. Let's say this one a month ago from 193,000 views. Okay, so that's 193,000 views. Now, let's look at some of the top top comments on this video. Look at this one by Olympia. It says, I appreciate that you're honest about that, even if your dog trainer, you two have problems. 771 likes. So that means that thousands of people have actually seen this comment. Not everybody likes the comment, but it's had 771 likes. All right, and because it's had 771 likes, I estimate that probably at least 3,000 to 5,000 people have probably read this comment, because only a small percentage will actually click like. Look at the number of replies. Again, 553, 257. Look at the number of comments that have got high engagement numbers. Now, guys, if you publish a message similar to what I showed you before, okay, or just have a look at what kind of messages are getting a lot of comments here. You want them to mention in the comments that you've also started a YouTube channel to share your information. There is a chance that the channel owner, when they see your comment, they might like it, they might check out your channel, and they might even subscribe to your channel, okay? And when a large channel subscribes to your channel, that gives YouTube a very good signal that your content is good. The next thing that it achieves is that other people, when they see your comment, they might like it, as long as your comment is genuine, and as long as you've done a good job with your comment, and you've made it in a similar way to how the other channels here are, they will also like it. And by default, what happens is the comments are sorted by what's called top comment. Now, top comment is the comment with the most interaction. That's why you want to be there. You want to be one of the first people to get in there and leave the comment. And you want that comment to start getting those likes very quickly. And when you stay here at the top, a lot of people, when they read your comment, they will also see that you've got a channel, so they'll go and they'll check out your channel. I mean, look at these ones: Special Z, Campbell, Peyton Ray, Olympia. They don't really sound like dog training channels. If yours was something like Greg's Dog Training Secrets or Greg the Dog Trainer, and you said that you really like this person in his videos, and you also have started your own channel, a lot of them, out of this, hundreds of people will click through to check out your channel, and a lot of them will subscribe. And essentially, you need to do this on a number of videos regularly. So ideally, every day or maybe every couple of days, make sure that you're leaving comments, and that will bring a large number of people to your channel, and a lot of them will actually subscribe to your channel, as long as your content is good, as long as you've done everything else as we've described in the course. So to recap, here is an example message. Of course, you need to tweak it to your niche and to your situation, but that's the example message that you could potentially put. Now, why does this work? Let's just recap. So sometimes the creator might actually pin your comment, because if they feel like you've done a good job sort of praising their channel, that's a positive thing for them, because other people will see your comment and they'll think, wow, this person is really good, because other fans are actually commenting how good he is. So they might pin your comment, which is going to give you, and that's going to make your comment stay at the very top. That's going to give you a ton of views. Now, other people will also see it. Many will check out your channel, and many will subscribe. So this is why it actually works. And just to reiterate again, you want to do this several times a week, maybe even once a day if you've got time, and that's going to give you a consistent flow of new subscribers, even if your channel is brand new. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.